Milliard Bedside Bassinet Mesh Breathable Side Sleeper Portable Infant Crib. Local and safe. We are a U.S. company in design and test our products in New Jersey. We have been trusted by parents for over a decade, and this bassinet meets or exceeds all U.S. safety regulations for side sleeper bassinets. 2 modes. This bedside bassinet can be used as a standalone bassinet and as a side sleeper bassinet attached to an adult bed with included bed straps. Assembly is easy and tool-free. Breathe easy, breathable mesh walls plus 4 storage pockets for baby essentials like diapers, wipes, and more. Works with most standard U.S. beds, height adjustable to accommodate bed heights of 23-31 high. Measure from the top of the adult mattress to the floor. To use with dive-in style beds, simply push in the retracting legs for a tight fit. Sheet included, comes with a waterproof mattress encasement and 1 washable sheet. We sell extra sheets here. https://www.amazon.com/gp/product/b089h1vjt3. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.